Hello, welcome to another tutorial video on my YouTube channel today. So today I'll be showing you how to move your ready-made sales page, something like this, from Instabuilder to Elementor without having to rewrite all this all over again. So we would be definitely be needing, I would encourage that when you want to move that, it's advisable to do it since it's a sales page, to move it on a new page. You can also use post, but I most times always use page. And you need to go and download this software, Note plus plus. Just enter Note plus plus into Google, click on the download button and choose whichever one to download. So as you can see, the first one, they are aligned in each other. The first one is the where the download is, and you just click on download and you have it. This is how it looks like when you download it finished, because you've not used it to do anything. So since we've downloaded ours, and this is the page you want to move from Instabuilder to Elementor, so just click on edit page. Let's click on launch Instabuilder. So the new page, you can give it the title. Let's say something like new income. So that you'll be able to use Elementor, you first need to change the default to Elementor canvas, and you click on publish. So when you click on publish, you can now edit with Elementor. While that is loading, this has done finish. As we can see that it's not possible for us to do anything. Let's say we want to move it from here to Elementor, so we just need to click on this file here, save HTML single file. So as you can see, it has downloaded. So let's show in folder to know the folder I downloaded to. It's in our downloads. So we just open this. We select you can click on this white one, or you can click on file and click on new to open another new tab, and you can open file. As you can see, open file. So we have to go and look for the file we're trying to open. It's in our downloads. This is it, and we have it open here. As you can see, we have it open here. You can see the title, income plan. This is the title. This is my website where I downloaded it from. So you just need to follow through. You get to a section, all this side they are still explaining the various WhatsApp that you used, the various wordpress, sorry about that you used at the back end. As you can see, the name of the plugin and every other thing you use. So when we move a bit further down, now as you can see the write-up, this is our write-up now. So let's say there's any more write-up we want to change. Let's say something from, let's say I want to change this my 500k to something like 900. Just need to look for the heading. This is where the write-up started from, so we move it before that. As you can see, the 500k, let's change it to 900k now. Yeah, so we've changed it like that. And because the footer has also changed, we are in 2021, and you can see the footer here is 2019. So we can go further just to be able to get it, and we don't have to like. So for scenarios like this, you can see we are not able to understand, probably when you don't see what you are looking for, and you can see it's taking us a while to get it. I'm still looking for 2019 footer. This is it. This site is not part of, and move a bit further. This is our 2019. So let's say you don't want to search for that. If you know the particular word you're looking for, you can just use Ctrl F 2019, and you find, as you can see, it brought it out. So that's the way you look for text inside. And let's just change this one to 2021. So now that we've edited it to fit what we want to do, we come to Elementor. You don't need to put anything here. We just search for HTML, just bring it in here, drag it in. As you can see, it has created a space for you. All you just need to do is go to Note++, copy everything using Ctrl+C, or you can right click and copy, and you come down here and you put it down here. Now you see it's exactly the way it looks in your Instabuilder. As you can see, the footer that we edited, the header that we also edited. So that's the way you go out about editing it, but using your Notes++. So anytime you feel like you want to edit anything, you can come down here, you can use your Ctrl+F as usual, and let's say 2021. Okay, this is 900 here. Sorry about that. So I think it's not really easy to edit inside this HTML, so it's more preferable you just stick with editing anything you want to do here. So that's how you go around it. And probably maybe if you feel like you want to remove your Facebook pixel, I would just advise that you leave it, because you have to start looking for it one by one. As you can see where the Facebook pixel is hiding here, page views, the ID and the like. So it's more preferable you leave it. It doesn't really affect anything. So that's how you go about it. And so that's how you go about it. So thank you very much for this video. See you another time.